The future is unpredictable. Markets change, customers behave differently, and unexpected expenses can hit at any time. That's why smart businesses don't rely on just one plan. They prepare for different outcomes. Scenario planning and stress testing help you stay safe, steady, and confident even when things don't go as expected. Let's break this down in the simplest way possible. Scenario planning usually includes 3 versions of your cash flow: the best case, the worst case, and the realistic case. First, the best case scenario. This is where things go better than expected. Maybe your sales increase by 20%. Maybe you get more repeat customers. Maybe marketing works better than planned. In a best case projection, your numbers look strong. Cash flows in quickly. Expenses stay stable. This scenario helps you see your full potential and plan for opportunities. For example, imagine you run a small digital design studio. In your best case, you secure 3 extra clients next month, and 2 of your existing clients upgrade their packages. Your revenue jumps higher than usual. This helps you think about how to use the extra cash wisely, maybe investing in new tools or saving more. Next, the worst case scenario. This is where things don't go well. Sales drop. Customers delay payments. Expenses suddenly rise. This scenario shows you the possible risks so you're not caught off guard. For example, your supplier might increase prices. A client might cancel a contract. You may need to repair important equipment. When you see these possibilities on paper, you can plan answers before the problems arrive. Then comes the realistic scenario. This is your most likely month or year. This projection isn't too positive or too negative. It's based on your average sales, usual expenses, and normal payment cycles. Think of it as your everyday roadmap. Now let's talk about how to do a simple what-if analysis. You don't need software or complex formulas. Start with your realistic monthly cash flow, then adjust 1 or 2 numbers to see the effect. Here's a simple example. Your realistic plan says you'll earn $5,000 in sales and spend $4,000 on costs. That leaves you with $1,000. Best case, what if? Sales increase to $6,000, new net cash becomes $2,000. Worst case, what if sales drop to $3,500 and expenses rise to $4,200? Net cash becomes negative $700. This small change helps you understand how sensitive your business is to shifts in revenue and expenses. It shows you how much stress your cash flow can handle. This is where cash buffers and emergency reserves become important. A cash buffer is money you keep aside for tough times. Think of it as your financial cushion. Many businesses try to save at least 1 to 3 months of expenses. When unexpected situations hit, like slow sales, delayed payments, or sudden repairs, this reserve protects you. Let's look at a short story to see how scenario planning can save a business. A local bakery used to get steady foot traffic during the year, but noticed that sales dropped every monsoon season. The owner created 3 scenarios. In the worst case, sales would fall by 40%. So he built a cash reserve during the stronger months. When the next monsoon came, sales did drop sharply, but this time, he didn't panic. His cash buffer covered the quiet months. He kept paying his team, maintained supplies, and even used the slow season to improve recipes and marketing. When business picked up again, he was stronger than before. Scenario planning protected him from stress and helped him stay calm during uncertainty. To wrap it up, scenario planning and stress testing give you clarity. They show you how your business might behave in different situations. When you prepare for the best, worst, and realistic cases, you stay ready for anything. You don't fear market changes because you've already practiced the answers. With smart planning, you can stay confident even when the road ahead is unpredictable.